Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we will talk about DC meters.
There are three types of DC meter: ammeter, voltmeter and multimeter. The evolution of DC ammeter starts with galvanometer. It first described by Hans Christian Ørsted in 1820. Galvanometers developed from the observation that the needle of a magnetic compass is deflected near a wire that has electric current flowing through it. The second one is moving iron ammeter. The moving iron meter was invented by Austrian engineer Friedrich Drexler in 1884. Moving iron ammeters use a piece of iron which moves when acted upon by the electromagnetic force of a fixed coil of wire. And the last one, digital ammeter. Digital ammeter designs use a shunt resistor to produce a calibrated voltage proportional to the current flowing. The original principles behind voltmeters were established by a Danish physicist named Hans Christian Ørsted in 1820. Pointers that attach to moving coils were developed by French physicist Jacques Arsène Ørsted in 1820. Evolution of voltmeters starts with permanent magnet moving coil, PMMC voltmeter. PMMC instruments have permanent magnets. It is used for DC measurement because here deflection is proportional to the voltage because resistance is constant for a material of the meter, and hence if voltage polarity is reversed, Deflection of the pointer will also be reversed, so it is used only for DC measurement. Moving iron voltmeter. If an unmagnetized soft iron is placed in the magnetic field, it is attracted towards the coil. If a pointer is attached to the system and current is passed through a coil as a result of the applied voltage, it creates a magnetic field which attracts iron piece and creates deflecting torque, as a result of which pointer move over the scale. Digital voltmeter. A digital voltmeter measures an unknown input voltage by converting the voltage to a digital value and then display the voltage in numeric form. The first digital voltmeter was invented and produced by NUK of Nonlinear System in 1984. The first manometer was made by the automatic coil winder and electrical equipment in 1923. For analog multimeter is constructed using a moving coil meter and a pointer to indicate the reading on the scale. The moving coil meter consists of a coil wound around a drum placed between two permanent magnets. As current passes through the coil, magnetic field is induced in the coil which react with the magnetic field of the permanent magnet, and the resultant forces cause the pointer attached to the drum to deflect on the scale, indicating the current reading. Digital multimeter can measure a variety of different parameters within an electrical circuit. The basic digital multimeter can measure amp, voltmeter and ohms as the older analog meter did. But with the ease of incorporating further functionality into the integrated circuit, many digital multimeters are able to make a number of other measurements as well. The comparison of ammeter, voltmeter dan multimeter is ammeter is used to measure the flow of current through the wiring of newly constructed buildings to ensure that the current is not too high or too low and has the ability to power electrical device with a safe range. Second, ammeters usually have very low resistance against current in order to be able to provide accurate readings. Then, it also could take readings in any position, providing accurate readings of the electrical power flow through the system. The voltmeter is high input impedance, then high sensitivity. It also is a low-cost device. It can provide the measurement of voltage in millivolt range, and its sensitivity is about 200 kilovolt. Multimeter is increase or decrease in signal levels can be observed. It also can change the range according to the user needs and can use to troubleshoot circuit to find leakage of current or voltage.
Comparison of price of DC meter. For analog ammeter, the price is between $2.50 to $4. While digital ammeter, the price is between $13 until $20. For voltmeter, the analog DC voltmeter price is between $2 until $3. And for the digital voltmeter, the price is between $1 until $300. For multimeter, analog multimeter price is $250 until $350 per unit. And for digital multimeter, the price is between $1 until $12.80.
There are some applications that use DC meter in medical area, such as defibrillator. Defibrillator is an apparatus that used to control heart fibrillation by application of an electric current to the chest wall or heart. Besides that, the other apparatus that link with the defibrillator is electrocardiogram or ECG is a diagnostic tool that is routinely used to assess the electrical and muscular function of heart.